traditional attire. This moment on stage, Philippine Parliament, Miss Very Gay Caparas. Once again on stage, Very Gay Caparas representing Municipality of Galilee of Philippine Parliament. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our first male model for the world traditional attire from the municipality of Humalalay. And for the male from Humalalay, the magnificent symbol of bravery, violence, and royalty of the Moro Group. And this awe-inspiring cultural costume is designed by Jersey Jules. Inspired from the royal heritage of the Moros in Mindanao. This signifies the radiant culture of our Muslim brothers that consciously inspire us to aim for adventure. Ranging for both splendor and prosperity. And this culture embodies strength, valor, and power of the mind that is ruling a vast array of a tribal group of the land of promises. Ladies and gentlemen, our male model representing from the municipality of Humalalay, the cradle of the tribe people, again, Humalalay. Our next female model, let's make some noise from the municipality of Humalalay. And the vibrant embodiment of the Moro culture. And this gown is designed by Jersey Jules, inspired from the rich culture of the Moros. One of the earliest groups that arrived in Humalalay. And the glorious wave handcraft inspiring the skirt of our model is designed by Miss Sharifa Dakula. And two types of vibrant cultural designs namely Humala, Matang Punay, and Sinagayan are the magnificent in this jaw-dropping and masterpiece. And such a masterpiece also reflects the glorious history of our municipality, and in this municipality, weaving is one of the primary forms of livelihood. Ladies and gents, our female model representing from the home of King Crabs and the crown of Tribe People, Municipality of Humalay. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, from the municipality of Humalay in their world traditional attire. Our next male model for the world traditional attire from the municipality of